If you ever get into your Porsche Cayenne model year 24, or any year for that matter, and it asks you for your security code when you log in before you get to the home screen, here's how you make it so that it automatically will pop up to your home screen and you don't have to enter that security code every time you get into the car. Under your name in the top right, you'll do that drop down menu and you'll go to account, and you'll go under, in your case, it'll be your name and the 3 dots next to your name. And there's where you'll have the option to select automatic login without security code. So it'll ask you to verify it by entering your security code one more time. And then once you hit OK, it'll verify that you are who you say you are. And now automatic login has been enabled. So now every time you get into your car, it will be at this home screen and you don't have to enter it every time.